everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious pineapple matcha with coconut milk. This is my go-to drink at Starbucks. If you want to learn how I make this and save you some money, please keep on watching. And let's start with our first ingredients. We have 1/4 cup of hot water, and I'm going to use this matcha powder. I will provide the link down below where I got it from. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. Now this is really up to you, your preference, but I like matcha, so I could take about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of matcha powder. And this is for a venti cup, so if you want to do smaller than this, then just use 1 tablespoon. And I'm just going to mix this. I got this frothier at the Amazon. I will provide the link down below. This will help mix your matcha powder, dilute it, or you could use a whisk as well. And I just set that aside, and now let's go to our second ingredients, which is the pineapple juice. I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. If you could get a fresh pineapple juice, go ahead and do that, but I'm just gonna use this from the crushed pineapple in a can. I'm just gonna put this in a strainer so I could get the juice out. Again, you're welcome to use a fresh pineapple, or if you have a pineapple juice in a can, go ahead and do that. This is the only one I have, and I actually like this crushed pineapple as well. And now that's set, just put that on the side. Back with our matcha powder mixture, I add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You could add your preferred sweetener. If you have stevia or other type of sweetener, you're welcome to do that, and just mix it with the frothier. And I'm going to add a little bit of the ginger powder. This is optional, but I like the kick of the ginger powder. I think it adds a little spice to it. And mix again with your frothier or a whisk. Just mix them together, I think, until all the powder are diluted. And this is the coconut milk I'm going to use, which is my favorite. And this is my venti cup that I got from Starbucks. And just add 1 cup of ice. And then my matcha mixture. And then after that is the pineapple juice and the coconut milk. And just mix them together, but I'll let the ice do the mix. I just shake it a little bit, just a little mix it, but this is really up to you. This is it to go. Enjoy. I hope you like this video. I hope this will help you inspire you to create your own Starbucks drinks. This right here just saved me about $4 for a pineapple, for an iced pineapple matcha with coconut milk. So if you like this drink, but you would like to try it first from Starbucks, just tell them you want an iced pineapple matcha with coconut milk. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Come back and see us. Ciao!